Every cybersecurity decision traces back to a small set of core concepts. These foundation pillars determine what must be protected, who can access it, and how we prove accountability. Think of cybersecurity as a high-security vault supported by 6 structural pillars. Master these, and you'll begin thinking like a security professional rather than someone simply memorizing tools. The most critical foundation is the CIA triad: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Every security control you'll ever encounter exists to protect one or more of these 3 things. Confidentiality asks who can see the data. Integrity ensures it hasn't been altered. And availability makes sure authorized users can access it when they need it. Break anyone, and security fails. Next is non-repudiation. This means a person cannot credibly deny performing an action. It's about accountability, often achieved through digital signatures. By signing with a private key and verifying with a public key, we create cryptographic proof that links an action to a specific identity. This is the essence of accountability. Finally, we have the AAA workflow: authentication, authorization, and accounting. It's the sequence every access request follows. Authentication asks, "Who are you?" Authorization asks, "What are you allowed to access?" And accounting asks, "What did you do?" This pipeline creates verified trust and assurance. Master these foundational pillars and you'll be ready for any challenge in the field of cybersecurity. Now let's move on to gap analysis.